get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Ash Lynx. Here we go. So to start with, we're gonna start with the hair. He's got a lot of hair. Okay, so we're gonna start up here. We're gonna draw a line coming down. And we're gonna draw a line coming down. Then we're gonna pop down just a little bit. And we're gonna draw another line coming down. Another line, and that's gonna be a little ziggy-zaggy. And another line. And then we're gonna draw some more ziggy-zaggies. And then we're gonna put a little ear here, a little letter C. Okay. And then we're gonna draw some more ziggy-zaggies. And some more ziggy-zaggies. There we go. And then let's see. Let's draw off this ziggy-zaggy right here. We're gonna draw a line coming down. And then it's gonna come up like that. And then from there, we're gonna come over here and draw a line down, around, a little curve, and then another curvy line right here. And this is gonna be the top of his glasses. Okay, then we're gonna draw down from his glasses right here. We're gonna draw a little triangle, little sideways V, and a little line right there, and that is his nose. Then we're gonna draw another line under here, and then it's gonna come down, come across, come back up, back like that. And there is part of his sunglasses. Then his eye is looking over his sunglasses, so we're gonna draw a curvy line. Then we're gonna draw a curvy line and make it a little thick at the top. And we're gonna draw a little part of a circle here, because he's kind of looking back. Hey, what's going on? And then we're gonna draw a line coming around. And then he's got like this eyebrow thing here. Then this line is gonna come up, come around like that. And then we're gonna draw a curvy line here and a curvy line here. And then his eyeball is gonna be coming here, kind of looking behind his nose. And then we've got another eyebrow here. Okay. Then the face comes above the sunglass and then comes up. Okay, so this is his face right here. And then there's a line here that comes down. Okay, that's part of his hair. And then he's got more hair over here, but we got to get the hand in over here. All right. So first what we're going to do is the eyeglass. So we're going to come down there, come here, come around. Then we're going to do a little hand here. So it's going to come down, pop out for his thumb, come down, come around, and then this is going to be his wrist, and then there's his arm. Now, I know it looks weird right now, but it'll all make sense in a little bit. All right, then we're going to come over here to the top. We're going to draw a line coming up, over, down, and then we're going to draw another line coming around, and down. Oh my gosh, we drew a finger. Then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna draw a little knuckle and another little knuckle And then we're gonna draw a line down, and that's gonna line up with this for the wrist, and then we're gonna draw a line down, and then this is the arm. Okay, we're almost there. I know hands are tricky. Okay, so now we're coming across, down, down. We've got like a little fingernail here, and then it's gonna come back up, up, across. Then we've got another finger here, up, going across, down, little fingernail, up, around, like so. And then we've got like these things that are behind it like that. And then we have a little, there we go. And then the thumb line on the inside. So he's like hanging on to the sunglasses. This is coming down, down. And oh my gosh, we only have 3 fingers. That's because the 4th finger is coming up here. All right, so we're gonna draw a line up, up, around, back down, and it just kind of hangs out there. All right, so now we have the side of the sunglass right here, and I think I'm gonna draw the inside so it looks more glass, like it's a sunglass. There we go, that looks better. All right, and then we've got a little shine here on the sunglass. And now we can put the hair over here. So we have a little hair coming down here, and then the hairline comes up, out, comes around. Man, a lot of hair. And then we've got like more lines in here, more lines out here. There we go. Oh, we're missing the mouth. All right, so the mouth is gonna start right under here. And it's gonna come across and up. And then we've got a little line under for the bottom lip. Then we've got a little line like that. And there's his little Adam's apple. And then it comes back down, line down for his shoulder. There's like a neckline, and then we've got a line coming up and around for his jacket, and then it comes back out and gets kind of closer down there. Then we have another line coming down here. Yeah, that kind of just goes down behind his arm. Then we have another line coming up here. And it's kind of like a hood thing, and then it comes back and then gets skinny again. And then he's got like a little detail thing there. And then we've got another line for the jacket that comes up, comes back down, and then it's got like a shadowy thing there. We have like some jacket lines, and this is kind of thicker through there. And I think, yeah, that looks pretty good. The hair back here is like hiding his neck, so you don't see the back of his neck. This is all hair through here. Okay, so hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.